Gum disease doesn't always hurt, but it may cause irreparable damage to your smile if it's ignored. That's why dental hygiene matters more than you think. Let's talk about why it's recommended and what it involves and how to protect your long-term oral health. At North Stony Dental, hygiene appointments aren't just about checking off a box. They're about protecting your teeth and gums for the long term. Even with great brushing and flossing at home, bacteria and plaque can still build up in the areas that are hard to reach on your own. Left untreated, that buildup can lead to gum inflammation, gingivitis, or even bone loss. Regular hygiene care helps prevent those issues, keeps your mouth healthier, and makes it easier to maintain good oral habits between visits. During your hygiene visit, our team assesses your gum and bone health, checks for signs of inflammation and disease, or removes the buildup that may be hiding beneath the gum line. We use a gentle, personalized approach that includes regular cleaning techniques as well as guided biofilm therapy. This gentle method uses a disclosing solution to highlight bacteria buildup and warm water polishing to remove it more comfortably. We follow the Alberta Dental Fee guide, so our pricing is consistent and transparent. For more details about our hygiene visits, visit our website or speak to our team. We're happy to help you through your coverage. If you've been told you need a deep cleaning, don't worry. It's simply a sign that your gums need more care. At North Stony Dental, we'll help you understand what's happening and create a plan that supports your oral health moving forward. Book your hygiene appointment today and take the next step forward to a healthier smile.